Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Concept of Artificial Intelligence. So now let's talk about the core idea revolving around artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, also known as, in short, AI, is a branch of computer science. It focuses on creating machines or systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, natural intelligence. To put it simply, artificial intelligence is when computers or machines are made smart enough to think, to learn, and act in ways that seem intelligent like those of how humans do. That is basically the fundamental idea behind artificial intelligence.